Okay, guys, for retail. So I just want to make sure that you're on track and you are where you should be. I want to find out, did you create your social media ads? You should have three ads, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Did you summarize your research? Again, this isn't something that you just made up or think that you know. I actually wanted you to do the research to find out how businesses do it. So I'm looking to make sure that you have the research done and you did your three ads. Today, if you have not finished those things, I want you to finish them. And then if you have finished, I would like you to start writing your script. It's going to be a 30 to 40-second script. Do not worry about making your video just yet. You will be creating your video in class on Monday. All right. I will come into the conference and check on you guys in just a little bit. Thanks.